Hi everyone, I'm Engineer Liao from GFD. Today I would like to tell you how to replace the thermostat of the convection oven. The tool used is an electric tool. The first step is to remove the front door. Push the small mechanism on both sides of the door upwards. Then it is easy to pull out the door. Then, remove this G and plate holder. Unscrew this two screws. Remove the heat sensor from the back. Now showing how to remove this back plate. Turn the machine over. Remove the screws in this row. Then you can remove it. This knob also has screws in it that need to be removed. Then this thermostat can be removed directly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.